Well, shit, man. I got a pair of Kobe Air Force Ones. Ain't my first pair of Kobe Air Force Ones, that's for sure. But it is a pair of Air Force Ones that I absolutely had to have just because they were the official joints from Nike. Yeah, I know. What are you talking about? All right, I'm talking about these that I was gifted as a custom, as a Kobe tribute back during the COVID years where everybody was locked down and we was doing raffles and all that kind of stuff on Instagram and all of that, right? So my homie JSM 801, right, gifted me these as a retirement gift. And you know, I'm a Kobe fan, so it all went together, right? This custom was absolutely bananas. But as I said, we got two pair of Kobe Air Force Ones. These are the new Nike Air Force One in the Kobe's. I'm gonna say in the Kobe's, right? What are we calling this? Air Force One Low Retro Quick Straight KB. So again, it is for Kobe. Duh. We got the signature on the box, right? We got the signature right here. We got the Mamba logo right there. Dope box. If you want for keeping your boxes, bruh, this is a super dope box. And I will be keeping this one just because it's a white box with gold everywhere on this joint. So with that being said, why did I absolutely have to have this Air Force One? It's all in the details, bruh. 100% all in the details, right? First off, the leather, nice, super nice, right? Keep the same energy we had with the little yachties. The leather is nice on these. Not a regular Air Force One. Cool, got that. Number two, it's in the details, bruh. On the tongue, we got Kobe's signature right there. And on the back of that, we got the Mamba logo. And on the heel, and on the quarter panel, we got the Mamba logo. So that's 1, 2, 3 Mamba logos on this Air Force One. Is it overdoing it? No, it's not, because it's tastefully done. This is hidden. This is on the heel, and the other Mamba logo it's embossed into the shoe, so you can barely see it. But again, we taking cues from the other Air Force Ones that are kind of special in a sense, like the Griffey ones that I showed you and the Concrete Boys that just came out. You're always gonna have something right there on that quarter panel, right? Cool. Number 3, you got the number 8 stitched in on the bike, like I'm from Miami, bruh. On the bike, right there, on the bike, bruh. It's all simplicity in the details of this sneaker. And on the insoles here, you got the Mamba logo too. So tastefully done, bro. Very, very tastefully done. I am super excited that I got these. These will be going straight to the toe, bro. 100% going straight to the toe, just cause I got to, bro. Like, well, you gonna have these joints and not wear them? The outsole ain't white. Like on a traditional pair of Air Force One, it ain't white. It's yellow. So we good, man. What else can you say about these? Nothing. Oh, other than the other question, which laces will you rock in these? Cause they came with 3 sets of laces. Where do the laces go? Here we go. We got laces, bro. We got the court purple lace right here, and we got the yellow. So, bro, or maize. What color are we calling this? Maize. Should know that. You should. So we got the maize laces, the purple laces, and the white laces in the shoe. And again, it's in the details, bro, right? Because on the purple laces, we got maize tips. Let's see if I can get it out of here. We got maize tips on those. On the yellow, we got the purple tips. And on the white, we got the purple tips. So again, that's gonna be the quandary I have with these. which one of these laces I'm gonna put in there. But you already know we about to swap them out right now. So in the end, bro, this is absolutely an Air Force One that I needed to have in the collection. And as the title says, it is one of those Air Force Ones that every Kobe fan, true Kobe fan, should really want in their collection. Because when else are we gonna get an Air Force One, not the mid that he wore in the game, that when he wore the Air Force One in that game, he wore the mids. But we got a low. Maybe we'll get a mid one day. I don't know. But when else were we gonna get this? I mean, we have Air Force Ones that they came in a Laker colorway, but this one is very special because it is actually Kobe. And like any other Kobe box, we got the white on this one instead of the black. Signature, gold. This one's special. So, like I said, if you're a Kobe fan, or hell, even if you're a Lakers fan, bro. Hell, even if you like the colorway, bro. This is one that you will not be upset with because of the choice of materials used on this and the subtle design cues that they put into this shoe. I'm 100% with it, man. Ain't nothing else left to say about it, bro. But if you got a chance, go out and cop them. I'm your boy Money Matt, here on the set with another sneaker review that, yeah, I may be biased on this one. I don't give a damn because I'm a Kobe fan, I'm a Lakers fan, as you can see. Bro, come on, man, we sucked this year, but it's good. We got these right here. So I'm your boy Money Man, bro, here on the set where we talk about sneakers, electronics, and toys. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button on your way out the door so you can help your boy grow. Again, I'm Money Matt, folks. I'm gonna get on out of here and go do something important with my life, as you should as well. Bid you folks adieu. Peace.